All the profits you saw right now, I generated profit using this indicator. And you can generate thousands of dollars using this indicator in a very short time. And in this video, I will tell you how you have to use this indicator properly. First of all, let us know about trading tools. Here is the BJ indicator, which tells us about the market trend. And at the bottom is our TSI indicator, help while booking profit. So let us know how we have to execute the trade. First of all, you can see it here. The TSI indicator has been created in red color. After that, for confirmation, we have to look above the BJ indicator. Then after getting both the confirmations, we will execute our trade. And we will set the stop loss at the top line of the BJ indicator. And our target of profit will be open. We have made very small profits on trade. And the reason for booking a small profit here is that you can see the TSI indicator below, which has changed from red color to sky color. So here you see again here the TSI indicator red color has been created below. So we will re-execute our trade here. Above you can see the BJ indicator, which is red in color. And we will set the stop loss at the top line of the BJ indicator. And we will not wait for our stop loss to be hit. Below you can see the TSI indicator, which has changed color to sky. So here you see again here the TSI indicator change into red color. So we will re-execute our trade here. And with this, you can also see the price action as you see now. The market has given a breakout here. And we will set the stop loss at the top line of the BJ indicator. And you can see below the TSI indicator, which has become sky color, so we will book our profit here. And you can see, we have executed 3 trades, out of which we did not make profit in 2 trades. But we got so much profit in this trade, that both of us lost trade recovered it, and also generated extra profit. Earlier the market tried to go up twice, but now you can see, BJ indicator, which is created in very nice sky color, and TSI indicator below is also sky color, so we can execute one of our trades here, with a small stop loss. So you can have a look here. We have made very high profits here on this trade as well. So till now, we have executed 4 trades, out of which we have generated profit in 3 trades. So overall our account is in very good profit. Right now we are going to trial this indicator for 30 days, and after seeing the result of 30 days, we will analyze how profitable it is for us. So let's test. back testing we just did is great, and I can tell you for sure. You will be stunned when you see its result. So first we count for how many trades we have executed, after that we will see how many trades out of that have we lost and generated profit. So you can have a look here. We have executed 19 trades in 30 days. And in these 3 trades, we have not made huge losses. We have generated a very small loss. And you have to understand one thing when you use this indicator, it is not necessary that it will provide you signals every day. So let me tell you a trick using which you can generate even more profit. Thousands of dollars can generate as much money as you want. I just opened a 1 chart here so you can be when you trade. Open the 4 charts or open 8 charts. You can trade it by opening as many charts as you want. The more charts you open, the more signals you will get every day. And this indicator will work in the any market and you can use it in any time frame, but whoever gives the best result from all of it will give it on the time frame of 30 minutes. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. Now let's see how we made our setup. First of all, we have to search BJTSI in the search box of Tradingview. And click on Bjorgum option. After that, we have to apply another indicator on the chart. We have to search TSIHEMA in the search box of Tradingview. And click on Bjorgum EMA Street option. Now our setup is ready. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. Let's see in the next video.